Okay, I want to talk really quick about how to pre-schedule your posts in your groups. So that is one amazing feature about groups is it does let you pre-schedule all your posts versus events that doesn't allow you to do that. So time saver. Now, scheduling your posts does take a little bit of upfront time, but it is totally worth it because you don't have to remember each day pre-party posts, and during party, sometimes those videos can take a little while to upload. They're much faster if they've already been preloaded into the group. So you're going to pull up your Trello template, and you can already see here that it says like how many days pre, and then, same with during, the minutes between. So you know exactly how to schedule them in your group. So I'm going to go ahead over to Christy's group. And I'm just going to pretend, we're going to do a couple of them here. So I'm just going to pretend that we need to do the recommendation post. So I'm just going to copy and paste that over. Now, one thing that I really like to do, once you move this list to your own board, I like to go through and edit all the wording with my links, my direct link to my messenger, anything about my kiddos, anything about me. I like to personalize it and get rid of all of the extras. So I would suggest you just take a minute and go through that first before you start scheduling your posts. So I'm just going to copy that, and I'm going to go over and I'm going to paste that. And then I'm going to go find the graphic really quick. Let's see, there it is. And pre-party. Tell me about your readers. Okay, and then I'm going to load it. Now, down here at the bottom is a little schedule. So I'm going to click this, and let's say my party isn't till next Thursday. I'm going to want to schedule that 4 days before. So that's going to be Sunday. So I'm going to look at my calendar. I'm going to select the day, and then I'm going to put this in the morning. I like to do 8 a.m. or 8 p.m. So if it says morning, evening, that's a.m. That's when I like to do them. And I'll just hit schedule. Okay, so let's do one of the ones with a video and graphics. So you can see down here, let's do the stocking stuffer one. Okay, so it's got a video, and 3 pictures. So I'm going to copy this. I'm going to go up to her party, and I'm going to, where did it give me that? Schedule. Okay, so it is scheduled. Okay, so we'll come back to that here in a second. I don't know why it's pulling it up again. So we'll just, goodness. Okay, so there it is. And then we're going to go find the video and the graphics. So there is, let's see, Making Memories. Here it is. Sorry. Okay, so I like mine to come up a certain way. So I choose the video first. This is just personally me. And then I click each photo. If not, I like the way that the video is large and the graphics are small. If you click them all at the same time, it'll give them 4 equal squares. But I like the video to be showcased, so I load that first. And you can see it's loading here. So once it's fully loaded, we'll be able to click and we'll be able to schedule it that night. So I said my party's on Thursday, and let's pretend, so this one is 4 minutes later, so let's just pretend this is the second one. So I would do 8:04 p.m. and then I would hit schedule. Now it is not going to let me do it because that video is not loaded. So, but I want you to see here, it's still trying to post, it's loading. Once you have everything pre-scheduled, once you've got all your posts, you can come down here and see that they're scheduled. So, I can see here it's scheduled for Sunday the 25th at 8 a.m. And you'll be able to scroll and see all of those. You can also let's say something happens, like your hostess, like all of a sudden you have someone who wants to host like 3 days before, and they're super excited. They've got their people invited, but you've already like pre-scheduled some posts. You could just post now or reschedule post. So let me know what questions you have about that.